So today's exercise is going to be taking the chassis apart, essentially. So I want to get down to the floor pan. Got new parts coming for the floor pan, but it's all big and heavy and it's a bit unwieldy, so I need to get the suspension parts off so I can flip it upside down and do stuff. So we're going to get the whole thing off, all the brakes off, wheels off, gearbox off. Don't have a manual. Could really do with one. Did that little squirt there. A manual would be useful, I think. I haven't found one at a reasonable price yet. So until I do, I'm kind of making up a little bit as I go along. It just occurred to me that when I take the other wheel off, I'm not going to have much space to do it. Maybe as much I can do about that. This is loose. This is actually so loose. I can actually literally pull it off. This is too easy. Not seen much action for some years, that. Stay of that. Not pretty. Let me give these a they twist, but they need to twist like that. Need my handy metal tray thing. Okay, so there's one of those off. I don't know how many of these parts are going to be reusable. I'm kind of toying with the idea of spending some money on the fronts and putting discs on the front. Maybe keep the drums on the rear. I'll leave the cylinder on, and then I might, let's get into, what we've got here. Let's get these out. That's those. So we'll try and get these off, but I think we need to do a couple of things. I think I need to loosen off the bolts on the back. So there are some here, if you can see, and you can't see, but down here too, it's the brakes. So let's see how we go with that. So it is 11, but this nut is stubborn. And it's kind of ramming on me. So I'm thinking I might saw that and worry about that later, because there's no way that's I'm reusing these brake lines. I could try and do this, do it here. that move, or did it just round? It's just rounding as well. So I think I'm gonna just cut this off. Don't worry about it later. Always have the right tools. Too sure how this comes out. Looks like there's a clip here of some kind. I can't really see. Maybe if I put my glasses on. These are my sunglasses. It's not going to help. Yeah, okay. We've got a bolt. So you can't really see this. Coming out of this bolt here. Okay. So this is Yep. That was it. Right now we're going to see if we can get these off, and then we're going to have to get the whole thing out. No real sense of how hard this will be. This could be super hard or super easy. Everything on this car so far has just been so easy. This is so easy. Like, it's not even fighting me. I shouldn't even say this too loud. They're all loose. I feel like I'm gonna come unstuck at some point, but so far in the whole project I've not hit any massive problems with like bolts that have been so stuck I couldn't do something about it. This back plate off the stub axle, there's nothing else stopping it. Pretty easy. Put your bearings, okay. So, one. Let's see how that is as a bearing. Oh, it's not a bearing. There's the bearing in there. And then when I get this thing must just pop off, mustn't it? Just give it a whack, what do you reckon? You bang the thing. So this, I don't think this comes out. This is part of it. I'm not sure. I've got to have to do some research. Spin the axle nut back on, just so I don't lose it. This one, this one, this one. Be amazed if these are as easy as the others. Ready? Okay, so that spins, all right. Let's see how we go. Absolutely no fight at all.
Messy.
Okay, I got them both off now. I didn't bore you with the other one. But that's off. That's off. And that's off now. I think all I believe I need to do now, as far as I can see, is to remove this bolt and this bolt. Come out. Look at that beast. Huge. Okay, I think that's it. That's loose. Other side. She's loose. Yes.